What if everything you believed about reality was an illusion, and you had the power to change it right now? That's exactly what Jane Roberts discovered in 1963 when she unexpectedly began channeling a being called Seth. This moment didn't just change her life, it opened the door to profound wisdom that has transformed thousands of lives. Seth's teachings, captured in books like Seth Speaks and The Nature of Personal Reality, reveal a mind-blowing idea. You create your reality with your thoughts. In this video, you'll experience something incredibly rare, the only existing footage of Seth speaking through Jane Roberts. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. I am Seth. Through Jane Roberts, I bring you the knowledge to change your life by changing your mind. What you are about to learn could shift how you see the world and yourself forever. Stick around until the end to discover how these teachings can help you take control of your life. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss more transformative insights as we explore Seth's teachings. Get ready to face a mind-blowing idea. Imagine your mind as a divine projector, always casting your deepest beliefs onto the screen of reality. Could your thoughts be shaping not just how you see the world, but the world itself? Seth tells us that the physical world isn't as solid or fixed as it seems. It's actually a reflection, a projection of our beliefs and consciousness. This flips our normal understanding of cause and effect upside down. According to Seth, the universe mirrors our thoughts and emotions, reacting to the energy we send out. Think of it like a moving projector. Your thoughts and beliefs are the film, and the external world is the image on the screen. If you change the film, the movie, your reality, changes too. This makes us wonder, are we simply watching a fixed reality, or are we creating it ourselves? Seth's teachings suggest that everything we experience comes from our consciousness. What we see and feel is shaped by our thoughts, which challenges the idea that reality is unchanging. This means that if we change our thoughts and beliefs, we can change how we experience the world. Your thoughts and beliefs play a huge role in shaping your reality. Negative or limiting thoughts can lead to tough situations, while positive, empowering beliefs can create better outcomes. This shows us just how much power our mental state and inner dialogue have over our lives. Together, the implications of this are huge. If our thoughts and beliefs shape reality, we have the power to change our lives by changing our minds. This doesn't mean we can instantly make everything we want happen, but it does mean that how we think and feel plays a key role in how we see and interact with the world. Seth's teachings invite us to take responsibility for our reality. Instead of thinking life happens to us, we can see ourselves as co-creators of our experiences. This shift in thinking is empowering. Life isn't something that just happens to us. It's something we help create. Now imagine that the divine source, or God, isn't separate from you but something you are a part of. How would that change the way you live? Seth's teachings suggest that all that is, or the divine, experiences itself through its creations. This means that every thought you have, every action you take, helps the divine expand and grow. You're not just watching reality happen, you're helping create it alongside all that is. This changes how we think about our relationship with the divine. It's not about submission or feeling powerless. Instead, it's about partnership. The power to shape reality isn't only for some higher being, it's a part of you. By tapping into this infinite potential, you start to rethink how you see yourself and the universe. This idea asks us to look beyond the limits we place on ourselves. If you are part of all that is, then the potential for growth, healing, and transformation is always within you. It suggests that the answers you seek aren't out there somewhere. They're already inside you, in your own consciousness. Seth also says that the divine isn't just one single being, but a collective consciousness that grows through the experience of everyone. This means that every thought you have is like a seed planted in the garden of your reality. Seth's core teaching invites us to rethink how we see life, offering a bold idea. We are the architects of our own experience, one thought at a time. Seth's main message is that we create our own reality through our thoughts and emotions. This isn't just a philosophical idea. It's a practical way to shape our lives. Imagine your mind as a projector, constantly casting your beliefs onto the screen of reality. When we realize this, we stop being victims of life's circumstances and become active creators of our experiences. The events we face, the relationships we build, and the opportunities we find are all reflections of what's going on inside us. Think about how this plays out in your own life. If you're always thinking about scarcity and not having enough, you might struggle with money or miss out on opportunities. But if you focus on thoughts of abundance and success, you're more likely to attract experiences and people that support those possibilities. Seth's teachings show us that by becoming more aware of what we think and choosing beliefs that empower us, we can start to reshape our reality. This doesn't mean challenges won't exist or that we can magically get everything we want. It means that how we think and feel plays a big role in how we handle life and interact with the world. Seth challenges the common belief that time is a straight line, saying instead that all time is simultaneous. This makes us rethink how we make decisions and grow as individuals. If all time exists at once, we can affect not just our future, but also how we see our past. Present choices don't just change what happens next, they reshape how we think about what has already happened. Seth suggests exercises to explore this view of time. One exercise is to mentally travel to any point in your life by focusing on a certain moment, whether it's in the past or future. Instead of being stuck in the past or worrying about what might happen in the future, you could see every moment as a new chance to change your entire life. Your choices in the present can reshape both what happened and what will happen. Seth emphasizes that time is fluid and flexible, giving us more freedom to interact with our lives. Seth also introduces the idea of parallel realities, suggesting that every decision we make creates a new version of ourselves in a parallel dimension. These alternate selves live out the different outcomes of the choices we've made throughout our lives. Imagine a huge web of realities, each one branching off from different decisions you've made. In one reality, maybe you took a different job. In another, you made a different choice in a relationship. This encourages us to see our choices not as final, but as chances to explore new parts of ourselves. So how can we access the wisdom of these parallel selves? Seth suggests exercises to help us tap into these other realities. One exercise is to visualize a major decision point in your life. Imagine the path you didn't take and try to sense the lessons and experiences from that other version of yourself. This can offer valuable insights and help guide your decisions in the present. Understanding parallel realities can bring peace and acceptance into our lives. Those moments when you wonder what if take on a new meaning when you realize that somewhere in a parallel reality, you made that different choice. This profound idea shows us that our possibilities are much greater than we might think. By connecting with the wisdom of our parallel selves, we can gain access to a huge pool of knowledge and experience to guide us in our current life. Seth's teachings on manifestation reveal that your thoughts aren't just random. They are powerful forces shaping your reality. Every thought you have is a seed, and the quality of your emotions is the soil. If you nurture positive, focused thoughts with matching feelings, those seeds will grow into the life you want. But if your thoughts are scattered or full of doubt, those seeds might struggle to grow. Seth stresses the importance of having a clear, focused mind. The thoughts you plant today will shape the reality you experience tomorrow. If your inner voice is full of doubt or negativity, you might find yourself facing challenges that reflect those thoughts. But by aligning your thoughts and feelings with a positive vision, you can start to attract experiences that match your desires. Seth's teachings don't stop at the individual level. They also offer a way to understand the world around us, including social systems and global events. The real power of Seth's teaching is in how it can change our lives. By becoming more aware of what we think and choosing beliefs that empower us, we can start to reshape our reality. This doesn't mean that challenges won't exist or that we can magically get everything we want. It means that how we think and feel plays a big role in how we handle life and interact with the world. The present moment is where your greatest power lies. By fully embracing the present, you unlock the potential to reshape your entire existence. Seth teaches that time is fluid and that all moments, past, present, and future, exist together. By mastering the present, you open the door to this vast field of possibilities.